Finding images on your website with missing alt text description is easy in DubBot. Let me show you how. After logging in with your CWU credentials, you will land on a dashboard that lists all of the websites that you manage. If there is a website that you manage and you're sure that you should have access, but you don't see it listed on the dashboard list, reach out to Web Services. We'll confirm your access and we're happy to provision an account for you. Click on the name of the site that you wish to manage. I'm going to click on About. This will take you to your site overviews dashboard where you can track specific metrics to help you manage the accessibility and remediation of your site. From here, you can click into various different reports and just shortcuts to a number of other areas. To get to a list of all of your pages on the website, the quickest way is to click on the Pages link right below your overall site score. Clicking on that link will take you to a report listing all of the pages on your website. If you wish to filter this report to show less pages or more pages, you can do so by clicking on the rows per page drop-down link in the lower right-hand corner of the table. When you click and change the number of reported pages on this report, the report will refresh and will display only that number of pages. You can also paginate through this table by clicking on the right or left arrow if you want to see all of the pages on this report. From here, you can filter down into a number of different types of reports. Clicking on the All Pages drop-down menu in the upper left-hand area of the table, you can select various different reports that are already preset for you. What we're looking for here is pages with accessibility issues. Pages with accessibility issues is the category that missing alt text on an image would be listed under. This first filter will show you pages with every kind of accessibility issue. As you can see on the About page or on the About side, there are 46 accessibility issues. In order to drill even further and find the accessibility issue that is images missing alternative or descriptive text, you can use the secondary filter, which is accessed by clicking on the Any Accessibility Issue button. Doing so will open up a pane on the right-hand side that will display additional filters that you can apply to this first general filter of pages with accessibility issues. Here, the first sub-filter is images must have alternative text. The number in parentheses is displaying the number of violations on the About page that are picked up by DubBot. By selecting it, now DubBot will show you the images that must have alternative text that do not under the Page with Accessibility Issues report for the About site. If you scroll down in the table, you will also see that you are now seeing 25 pages with images that are missing alt text out of 43. I want to display all of them, so I'm going to switch the rows per page to 50. And now these are all of the pages with images in them that are missing the description or the alt text. So I'm just going to click on the first one. Once I'm here, DubBot will outline the image that is violating that rule. Here we see that inside of the About website, Media Resources, CWU News, inside the 2024 folder, and under it in the folder for July, or the number 7 labeled folder, this story is missing alternative text in the main image. To remediate it, I can click on the View In Cascade CMS, and DubBot will open up a new page or a new tab depending on your browser's settings directly in Cascade CMS for me to remediate. I already know that it is this image in the header area that is missing the alt text. That's what is outlined here. Once I'm in this page, I can go in and click on Edit and scroll down to fix the violation. In this page, it happens to be inside of details. Here, I need to ensure that this setting here to mark this image as decorative is checked no. That will open up the image description, and I can enter in my description and remediate this. Once I've remediated the image and I've added descriptive text and published it, the next Sunday after doing that, DubBot will run another scan and your stats will begin to reflect those images that have been remediated and will not show up as part of the metrics or listed on your accessibility report.